Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to highlight text in a Word document using Microsoft Word. Firstly open your Word document, click File option and click Open, and these are Word document, and click Home option. Here you can find highlight option, this highlight, and click here highlight and select your highlight text area. This text already highlighted. Also you can change highlight color, click this arrow, select red, highlight this, highlight, and select here no color and color. I choose pink color, select this highlight and click file option, save as this Word document. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.